Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
Parking shouldn't slow you down. ParkWiz gives every driver a shortcut. Book ahead, save up to 50%, and skip the hassle of circling the block. Park smarter, park faster. ParkWiz. Download the ParkWiz app today and save every time you park.
This episode is brought to you by Capital One. Capital One's tech team isn't just talking about multi-agentic AI. They already deployed one. It's called Chat Concierge, and it's simplifying car shopping. Using self-reflection and layered reasoning with live API checks, it doesn't just help buyers find a car they love. It helps schedule a test drive, get pre-approved for financing, and estimate trade-in value. Advanced, intuitive, and deployed. That's how they stack. That's technology at Capital One.
This podcast is supported by Ambetter Health. Group health insurance can put businesses in a tough position. If you're a business owner, CFO, or HR leader, this probably sounds familiar. It's fall, and your group health insurance premium is going up, maybe by a lot. And as usual, you have to pick one carrier and a few plans for all employees, even though they have different needs, budgets, and doctors. Fortunately, there's a new approach, ICHRA. It makes costs predictable with stable pre-tax contributions and lets employees choose any plan from any carrier. You choose how much to contribute, they choose what works for them. For coverage you can control, plan on an ICHRA. Learn more at ambetterhealth.com/ICHRA.
These are the Daily Tech headlines for Tuesday, September 16th, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. Reports have emerged that the framework of a deal between TikTok and parent company ByteDance and a U.S.-based entity that would allow TikTok to continue to operate in the United States may still use the Chinese algorithm, a significant shift away from previous calls to move away from the Chinese technology. This development comes despite past efforts by U.S. lawmakers to ban or sell TikTok due to concerns about its algorithm and offers from American companies like Perplexity AI to rebuild it. Oracle, which has managed U.S. user TikTok data since 2022, also previously sought to take responsibility for the U.S. version's data. A U.S. Court of Appeals denied Google's request to pause Play Store reforms, upholding a 2023 ruling and October 2024 order. This requires Google to open its mobile app platform to rivals like Epic Games, allowing competing in-app payment systems, enable developer-customer communication, and stop mandating the Play Store on Android devices. Google must implement these changes within 30 days unless the Supreme Court intervenes. Google is considering an appeal while Epic Games celebrates the decision. Microsoft is integrating Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4 into Visual Studio Code for GitHub Copilot, prioritizing it over OpenAI's GPT-5 models for both free and paid users due to strong internal benchmarks. Anthropic's models are also expected to enhance Microsoft 365 apps like Excel and PowerPoint, where they have reportedly outperformed OpenAI's offerings. Despite this internal shift, Microsoft and OpenAI recently announced a new deal allowing OpenAI to use rival cloud providers. Microsoft is also investing heavily in its own AI models, such as MAI-1 Preview. The Agent Payments Protocol, or AP2, is a new Google-developed standard in collaboration with various companies for secure AI agent-led e-commerce transactions. It builds upon existing A2A and MCP standards, using cryptographically signed mandates like internet and cart mandates to secure payments via methods such as credit cards, stablecoins, and bank transfers. Launched with 60 organizations, including major players like 1Password, MasterCard, and PayPal, AP2 aims to boost efficiency and security in the digital marketplace for the increasing number of agent-led AI transactions. Microsoft is testing a Windows 11 update that allows Xbox controllers to access Task View for switching applications and games by long pressing the Xbox button. This update mirrors functionality on handheld gaming PCs like the Xbox Ally and is currently available to Windows Insiders with a general rollout expected soon. A single press of the Xbox button will still open the Xbox game bar. OpenAI is launching a special ChatGPT for users under 18, utilizing age prediction technology to redirect younger users from the standard version due to concerns about AI's impact on teen mental health. The under 18 version will be the default if age is uncertain, prioritizing safety. This initiative, part of a broader safety set of measures, allows parental controls such as account linking, rule setting, feature disabling, distress notifications, and blackout hours. This move comes before a DC hearing on AI chatbot harms and an FTC inquiry into chatbot safety, though a key challenge will be convincing teens to use the parent-controlled version. PayPal is launching PayPal Links, a new feature for simplified peer-to-peer payments. This system allows users to generate personalized one-time links for sending or requesting money, complementing PayPal Me. It streamlines transactions by removing the need for account verification and offers faster processing. Initially available in the U.S. and expanding globally, it will support cryptocurrency payments like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and PayYUSD in the U.S. Links are created in the PayPal app, expire after 10 days if unclaimed, and enable instant fund transfers. Personal payments made through PayPal Links are exempt from 1099-K reporting. Disney, Universal, and Warner Bros. Discovery have sued China's Minimax, claiming its Hailu AI service illegally used their copyrighted characters like Darth Vader, Minions, and Wonder Woman for marketing and content generation. The studios assert Minimax ignored requests to prevent infringement and actively encouraged it. This lawsuit is part of a growing trend of copyright owners suing AI companies for unauthorized content use and training. The studios seek profits and an injunction to halt Hailu, while Minimax, reportedly valued over $4 billion, has not confirmed. And finally, Meta's upcoming Connect conference is expected to unveil a significant focus on smart glasses, including new models with a display controlled by a wristband utilizing SEMG technology from Control Labs, and updated Ray-Ban and Oakley Meta glasses without a display, building on the success of previous models. While new Quest VR headsets are not anticipated this year, Meta may reveal collaborations with hardware companies like ASUS for VR devices running Horizon OS, and will likely emphasize further integration of AI features across its apps and existing and new hardware, including the recently relaunched Meta AI app for smart glasses. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.
Banking with Capital One helps you keep more money in your wallet with no fees or minimums on checking accounts and no overdraft fees. Just ask the Capital One bank guy. It's pretty much all he talks about, in a good way. He'd also tell you that this podcast is his favorite podcast, too. Ah, really? Thanks, Capital One bank guy. What's in your wallet? Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank. Capital One N.A. member FDIC.
Walmart Business is in the business of helping your business. Regardless of whether you're building bridges, building spreadsheets, or building lesson plans. Ooh, that looks fun. Walmart Business can help save you time, money, and hassle so you can focus on what you're building instead of what your supply closet is missing. In short, we take care of business so you can do more with yours. We're the Walmart you love, now for your business. Learn more at business.walmart.com.